Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Rose here. Today I'm going to show you a quick and effective way to fix the device type unknown error on Instagram. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open App Info. Long press the Instagram app icon on your phone. A menu will pop up. Tap the little eye icon to open the app info page. Step 2. Clear cache and data. Scroll down and tap Storage Usage or History Uses depending on your device. Now, hit Clear Cache. This helps refresh the app without logging you out. If the problem still isn't fixed, go ahead and tap Clear Data, then confirm by selecting Delete. Important: clearing data will log you out and remove app settings, so make sure you remember your login details before doing this. If you'd rather not log out, just skip this part and stick to clearing the cache only. Step 3. Relaunch Instagram. Now, open Instagram again and give it a try. Most of the time, this simple refresh will fix the device type unknown problem. That's it. I hope this helped you solve the issue. If it did, show some love. Like, share, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.